Are you interested in learning more about intermittent fasting? The Women's Heart 14-Day Fasting Challenge will begin soon. This challenge is a great opportunity to learn all about intermittent fasting, gain support and accountability, and explore if this lifestyle tool is right for you. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin resistance, slow the aging process, and contribute to weight loss. This challenge will help us understand weight management from a hormonal balance perspective and the importance of when we're eating and not just what we're eating. The challenge is structured for beginners and advanced fasters in mind. We will practice time-restricted eating, meaning all of our meals will be consumed within a specific period of time. We will provide embedded support and connection with others, educational materials, and several check-in sessions throughout the 2 weeks to help keep you on track. If you would like to participate, please register via our website. We are looking forward to supporting you.